So we are in an Airbnb. The view is killer. If you remember the last time we were here in Lebanon, Tennessee, we found a gem. Nothing better than a good workout to start the day. So we just finished up the NIRVC Music City Motorhome Expo. That was such a blast. And if you missed any of the videos, but we've been putting out tons of tours and just our experiences and everything from that week. So we'll link one of those videos up above so you can check it out. A lot of good Super C tours coming, so stay alert for that. However, we are staying in Tennessee for a little bit, and I'm gonna let Izzy tell you why.
Well, our RV is back in the shop, not for what you think. Now, we did a video talking about is our RV a lemon. If you didn't watch that, we'll link it up above. But it's in a shop by choice now. We're having the Bob Moses ceramic coating done. So the process is supposed to take, I believe, 4 days or so. And like 2 days of that is just paint correction and a lot. And there's an easy part is putting ceramic coating. So we're looking forward to see how that comes out. And we're told there's gonna be 5 people working on it. So if you divide that up, right, even if it's 10 hours each person, if it's 10 hours a day, I find it's 50 man hours or so. So it's a lot of work, and that's how it's supposed to be done correctly. And again, we'll be detailing a full video on like before and after and the whole process. You wanna make sure you subscribe, notification bells on so you get notified when all of our videos come out, including from the Music City Motorhome Expo and our travels. We're inside the storage facility here. We dropped our motorhome off. Now it's going to be a few days before they're done because again, there's a lot of prep as far as paint correction, 40, 50 hours it could be depending on how bad our paint is. And remember, we have an 11-year-old motorhome. We weren't the original owners, so there is some work to do on there. But it's going to be in the bay here with 5 people working on it. And then here also is where they do the PDI and then the Blue Bow delivery, which is right down over there. They'll have those lined up for the new customers. Right now they are stuffed with inventory. Now I imagine some of these are going to be going out to customers because the show just did wrap up. But let's show you some of the things they have here. So you have a Newmar right here, Super C. I don't think any of these are open. You have an Accolade. Oh, I don't remember seeing this one. This must have been at the dealership the whole time. There's a really nice Verona, a Valencia.
A lot of Renegades.
I think we took this one out on a test drive. Let's see.
That was the debut one.
Let's see.
I believe.
Nope, that's a Cascadia Classic. That one we didn't take out.
But that was at the show.
Yeah, a lot of these were at the show. So they carry Renegade now also, the whole line. Beautiful London Air. They're doubling here. An Entourage, east to west they're carrying. Nice Lego Red if you want something small. So you can get your service, buy new or used. It's all available here just outside of Nashville.
You may be wondering if we're staying in the motorhome, which we're not because there's just a lot going on there. So we are in an Airbnb that it's about 18 minutes or so from NIRVC. So if you ever need to go there, need to get work like we're getting done, and you want a good Airbnb, this place is awesome. It's on...
except for one thing, and we'll tell you about that.
Yeah, we'll talk about that in a minute. It's on South Commerce Road in Watertown, Tennessee. So it's actually a loft above the people's garage. This is a massive, massive house. They have like 40 acres. But this is a beautiful apartment. So you go into the side of the garage, come up the stairs, and then you have this huge apartment. They actually use this for their mother when she comes to visit a few months a year. So you have the bed, the sleeping area here. There's a huge bathroom right in here, and then a laundry room. Whoops, wrong one. So you have use of the laundry, and they have everything here for you, like vacuum, and they have laundry stuff and plenty of cabinets, towels. Then you got this whole area. So yeah, it's kind of like a studio apartment, right? Fully equipped kitchen. So residential fridge, you have, stove. We're actually gonna make some bread tomorrow here while we're here. This is all our food, but you have dishes, pots, pans, everything. The view is killer. So you just see all the mountains on both sides of this place. You've got mountain views. This actually opens up into a full bed, so you have that too. It's pretty awesome.
The only problem was two things that are a problem. The internet's not that great, although it's good cell service, so you can use a hotspot. And this is
It's
not good.
it's really bad. I actually
pretty
considered
bad.
sleeping on the futon.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. It's certainly not like the mattress at our house or the mattress on our motorhome, and they can certainly use an improvement. They just have to get a Brooklyn Bedding mattress, or if they have a motorhome, they go to rvmattress.com by Brooklyn Bedding, which makes RV specific mattresses, but they also have mattresses for your home. They're based in the USA. We have them on every motorhome we've had. We have them at home for this reason. Like my back kind of hurts.
It's so
It's just really
soft.
bad.
Now, some people may like, put in the comments below if you like a soft mattress.
My hips are
Oh,
just
my
like,
hips, I know, I
they're a
wake up
mess.
in pain. But it is what it is. I mean, we're able to sleep.
Yeah, rvmattress.com does have all different types of mattresses. If you want a memory foam, something firm, unlike this, which is what we have, coils, hybrid of both, memory foam and coils. Also the Titan Plus, that's for heavier, larger people. Have something for you. They also have the 120-day sleep trial, so you can try a mattress out. If you don't like it, you contact them, you give that one away, and they'll work something out with you. Many of our subscribers have got a mattress from rvmattress.com, either for their mattress in their RV or at home, because I said they have both. If you want more information, you go to rvmattress.com/endless. Use the discount code.
Endless.
30% off of your mattress. At any time they run a higher promotion, bigger percentage off, you'll always get the higher promotion. If you want more information and you don't want to wake up in pain like we've been doing, we're actually looking forward to sleeping on the motorhome again. We're going to put the link down below and you can choose what type of mattress you like. That way you can get a great night's sleep.
Let's take it back a few good years to when the world was.
We were told that they were going to finish up the ceramic coating last night because it said it only took a few hours. After the paint correction is really what takes the
That's
time.
the most.
Right? So we just got here. We haven't seen it yet. We're going to bring you along, walk in. It's right in this bay, and we're going to see what it looks like. Brand new Stella.
Well, it does appear that they're wrapped up. Now this is going to sit in here for 48 hours. There's going to be some dust and stuff. They'll wipe that down. But I just want to, you see some of the B-roll putting. It looks amazing. Now, this is an 11-year-old motorhome. There are going to be imperfections in the paint, chips. It's not going to correct that, right? It's only when you see that marring and the swirl marks, which are completely gone. If you can see, it's really hard unless you're here in person. I'm hoping the camera picks it up, but you try to get that angle. It looks amazing. We didn't have this door done. We're going to come back and you notice a bay door is off. The bay door had some dents we had repaired here also. But this door we did not have done yet because we have to go back to Country Classic. There's a little bit of an issue right here that they're going to correct. And then we'll come back probably in July, have the door done, and have that bay door done. But I don't know if you can see the difference here.
Let me get on this side because
Obviously
the sun.
Yeah, this has been worked on over here, and this not so much. And this was freshly painted, but you can see the difference
I don't know if you can
in the
see it on
shine
camera,
and really
but
in the depth.
we're in Watertown Square, which is in Watertown, Tennessee, and we'll get to that in a minute, but we just ate at a place. We were looking for some Mediterranean food. We found the Sparta Greek Grill, which is in this tiny little downtown area of Watertown. You pull up, it's like in like some abandoned gas station. It looks
Like, oh no, what is
really
this?
bad. But we went in, there was one guy, single guy, cooking everything up, and it was really good. It was really good. So what's the lesson we learned? Because we pulled up, we're like, oh my gosh.
Well, we went by the reviews, and the reviews, quite a few said, don't judge what it looks like. So we're like, let's try it, right? And it was good.
It was very good. If you're in the Watertown, Lebanon area and you want some decent Greek food, that's a good spot to check. You have to love small town America. So we're walking around Watertown, and we came into the store. It's called Modern Revival, and they have the coolest stuff in here. So we started walking around, and we started talking to the owners because everybody in Tennessee is friendly, right? We actually didn't get your names yet. So what are your names? Amy.
I'm Jason.
Amy, that's our son's name. Nice. So we're actually gonna pin, they have people pin on their map when they're here from different states. So we figured you'd wanna see the pinning ceremony. So let's do this.
Any
right.
Jersey natives here? They made it to
Anybody
Watertown?
else?
We have a few from New Jersey, actually, and actually just a couple last week. Let's see.
All right, let's see here. You got it? I'll go on this side so you can see it.
Yeah,
I don't have my reading glasses on, but I'm gonna stick it.
that's
right
okay.
in there.
That's
perfect.
actually New Hampshire.
I think, is it? No. Oh my God, I think I'm close. So you want to tell everybody a little bit about your business, and you have a YouTube channel also.
Yeah.
So tell us a little bit about,
business first. Yeah.
Well, we've been here on our square. It'll be 2 years this August. We sell some plant, home decor, vintage, and gifts. And we love being on our historic town square. It's a blessing to be here.
Yeah.
Cool little town.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. And I work for Tennessee Wildlife Resources Agency and host our agency's podcast, Tennessee Wildcast. So if you get a chance, follow the TWRA on YouTube and watch it there.
We'll link it in the description below too. So you never know who you're going to meet, guys. This is why we love Tennessee. Everybody's just so welcoming and kind, and we can't wait to get down here. Come check them out. Well, they're one of the many reasons that we can't wait to move here, and just Tennessee in general. And then we're walking on the street. There was this big sign, "Welcome to historic Watertown, Tennessee." So we decided to film it, and then a local came walking by. "Oh, you enjoy," I said, he's got the accent, "You enjoying your time in our little town so far?" You know, he's so nice. Gwen, this is not stuff we're used to where we live, and it's pretty awesome. If you remember the last time we were here in Lebanon, Tennessee, we found a gem called Chi-Town Pizza. It's hard to find really good pizza now that we're leaving home and going in other states, but this place opened within the last year. It's in downtown Lebanon. Chi-Town Pizza. It's not a restaurant. You just order it. You can either take out, they have 2 tables outside. It is the real deal. So we had to come back before we head back home, and hopefully it's as good as it was the last time.
It will be.
And they do it differently too.
Very thin crust, crispy, and it's round, but they cut it into squares. It's really good.
Like tiny little squares.
Yeah, the sauce-cheese ratio
You're drooling.
is perfect. They're not open Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then the other hours are like 4 to 10 or so.
No, 4 to 8 or
4 to
8 or 8:30,
Yeah.
depending on the day.
So when you have something good, people come. It's located at 204 East Main Street, and there's really nowhere to eat inside. There's a couple tables outside. Most of it's going to be takeout. So we got the 16-inch large.
Yes, and it comes in a bag.
Oh, God, this is so
God,
good.
it smells amazing.
So yeah, it comes in a wax bag, which doesn't really, make it easy, but
Oh,
look at that.
look at that. That is.
We'll just take it out piece
beautiful.
by piece, but you can see, yeah. Look at that.
Oh my God.
You want to try that first, hon?
It's too
It's gotta
hot.
cool
We
down.
gotta
It
wait.
just came out of the oven. I'm gonna start on the corner. It's still like the molten lava right now. This is freaking good pizza, man. This is in my top 3 anywhere.
Yeah,
It is that good.
Lebanon, Tennessee.
I'm gonna make a strong statement. I don't do this often. This is 48 years of pizza reviews. New York, New Jersey, Connecticut. This is in the top 3. This is my top 3 pizzas. Is this place? It is that freaking
It's
good.
very unique, and it's so delicious. They have
is
the
so good.
the ratio of the sauce with the cheese, and there's this sauce has like this sweet, tangy kind of
It's
flavor.
homemade. This is not
it's
canned
so
stuff.
good.
Well, after that stuffing, we decided we're gonna go for a walk. We're at Cedars of Lebanon State Park. We've come here before to dump and fill prior to the Music City Motorhome Expo. I think you do it for $10.
We showed you a little of the inside, but this is the outside of the house that we're staying at. I think we mentioned, it's 40 acres. It's huge. And you have this view. I mean, just the view all around. It's like a 360, just mountains. It's so beautiful here.
So we know Stella is complete. She is complete. I don't know if the body work's done yet, but it will be done.
Almost there on that.
Almost there, but we're going to save that for the next vlog. That way you can see the dramatic change. Put in the comments below, have you had your RV motorhome car, anything ceramic coated? What's your favorite pizza place? We want to know that. And if you like videos like this to the left of us, we'll put our RV vlogs playlist. We'll also put our RV tours playlist. We thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.